Hello everyone, just gonna be doing a little walk around my 2017 Dodge Charger RT black top. Very beautiful rims. Those are 20-inch rim. They're glass black. It has a very aggressive look. Let me show you a little bit what the interior looks like in the black top edition. Very nice interior. You got a very nice touch screen. Got the gauges right here. We have power seats in the front. Let me pop up the trunk and show you a little bit what it looks like. Very beautiful. Nice sound system with the RT logo on. I'm gonna start the car really quick for you guys so you can hear a little bit what it sounds like. Very aggressive sound. That's gonna be all for you guys. That's the 2017 Dodge Charger RT.